Hi everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today we're talking about my absolute favorite feature. That's right, it's going to be remote start. So no matter which Kia or Hyundai vehicle you are using, we are going to show you the process to do it, and we're also going to show you it on a gasoline version versus an EV version. So whether it's gas, whether it's electric, whether it's a new or old fob, we're going to show you guys the process. That way you can remote start your car on your Kia and Hyundai vehicles. So first thing first is we're going to show you on the key fob for the new Hyundai Sonata. So what you're going to do is you're going to press lock, and then quickly after that you're going to take this button, you're going to hold and press it for about 4 seconds until you hear the engine start on. So I'm going to demo that for you right now just to show you that it works. Vehicle's locked, and I'm pressing and holding. And that's the benefit with the gasoline vehicle, is that you can hear the engine kick on once it starts. Now, of course, you're going to want to stay in range for this vehicle, but don't worry, it will work from the inside of your home to your driveway outside. So with your Kia fob, and this is our EV behind us, we're going to follow the same process. We're going to make sure that the vehicle is locked, and then quickly after that, we're going to hold the remote start button, which is on the back of this new fob. Now, what's different is this vehicle doesn't have an engine, so I'm not really going to hear anything. But the windows are down. You can start to hear the climate control kicking in, meaning this vehicle is on and it is getting all warmed up for us on this nice chilly day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helped you with the remote starting your vehicle, whether it be an EV or whether it be a gas vehicle. Now the best part is, even if the vehicle is running, if I want to turn it off, I can still do the same thing for my fob. I just got to press that one more time for the remote start button, the vehicle will shut off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the Kia Hyundai channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below on what feature you want to learn about next. Thank you so much.